Hey, what's good, Learning Machines? It's been a while, and I have some stuff to talk about because I've discovered something very, very powerful that can literally make you guys so much money. And it's a secret strategy I came across through one of you Learning Machines who came across the channel, saw me, and wanted to talk to me. And this person is a multi-millionaire. I mean, they're underground. They got no social presence online, but they're balling out of control. And they talked with me a bit, and they shared with me some underground strategies that are so insane to make just millions of dollars. And he's been doing this for years now. And he's in his like 30s and stuff. But I won't give you too much information, but guys, this is insane. He's discovered hacks, loopholes, just tricks to making money online that will blow your mind. I just got off a call with him and was talking to him about his strategies, and they're freaking crazy. Okay, so the industry of which he is in is adult, and he makes millions, okay, of dollars, okay? And as I've mentioned many times to you guys, like so many times, I will be getting into that. And it's not what you think, it's just, you just advertise on the platforms. You can advertise products such as drop shipping products. You can advertise products even on credit repair. I mean, if you do the right strategy, the right funnels, advertise the right way, dude, I'm telling you, his hacks are insane. I share these strategies actually inside my adult course. And he never said anything about me not being allowed to share these strategies. So literally I'm sharing these strategies with you guys inside the course. The adult course is a top secret information. Like, I cannot believe I'm sharing this with people. And the only reason I'm doing it is because I wish someone would do this for me when I first started. I'm 21 years old, and I wish I was the age of my little brother, who's like 15 years old. And I wish I had the knowledge I have now back then. Okay, so I wasn't given that opportunity just due to the fact I never had a course where I could learn how to do this exactly and these loopholes. The strategies this guy is sharing is just out of this world. My strategies as well, I add in there as bonuses. You get access to tons of bonus courses inside of this program. It's called Adult Secrets, and it literally can change your life. This is underground stuff no one talks about. I mean, you can get millions and millions of clicks, okay, millions of eyeballs on your ads for so cheap, and you'll never get banned like you do on Facebook. I mean, there's so many benefits to this. It's absolutely mind-blowing. You can literally make so much money. I was just off the call. I'm so hyped about this. It's freaking insane. So wanted to talk about it, and it's time that I give back to society, like in this way that's just knowledge that's absolutely mind-blowing, that will change everyone's life. So if you want to take action on this, there's two ways you can, just to let you know real quick. And there's the course you can buy. You can also get the mega bundle too, which has all my courses for a very cheap price, all bundled together. And you can also get the Done For You service, where I build a campaign for you for adult traffic that can make you obscene amounts of money, okay? It's all about whatever budget you have, you can start with, okay? But your ROIs, I should make no guarantees here about ROIs, but let's just say you'll make an ROI that will blow your mind with adult, because it's so cheap. And the way we monetize with what we do is so out of this world, it will blow your mind, okay? So what I cover inside the course will get you on, pay on the same page, change your life, and then inside the Done For You funnel, basically I build you and educate you on what to do for traffic, and I build you an insane funnel, okay? So that's it, and I want you guys to have an amazing, amazing day. And man, if you don't want to take action on this, I don't know what's wrong with you, no offense, but bro, this is something that I know everyone's been waiting for, and literally you can make so much money with this. I don't know, I should be increasing the price very, very soon on the adult course. And even if the price is at $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, it doesn't matter, because the knowledge, once you take action on it, it will make you just millions of freaking dollars, bro. So go ahead, take action on that, and I'll see you guys on the other side.